Hello everyone, this is A.R.A Productions and welcome to another fire alarm test. So let's get right into the video. Starting off, as you can see, with the replacing the notifier pull station, we have a Simplex 4251-20. I was going to replace this pull station, however, I really did like it here, so I decided to keep it here. However, in the next test that you see on this system, it will most likely be replaced with this Edwards 278. Moving on up, we still have the system sensor 2400 smoke detector. Next to that, we still have the system sensor 2100 smoke detector. Then we have a Wheelock MT24 LSM set to code 3 horn. And then next to it, we have a Edwards 895 something. It's like an 89. It's pretty much a mechanical horn. It's like the Edwards Adapta-Horn series, except for it's an 892 shell. So that's basically it. So like I said, that's it to code 3, and since this is a free run device and this panel isn't being coded currently, that will be doing continuous. So that being said, allow me to put my ear protection on. All right. And we are going to start the test by pulling the Simplex T-bar. So here we go. Okay, has been silenced. Got my keys. And we shall reset the system. Okay, now that the system is reset, we'll activate the ADT pull station, silence it, activate that smoke detector, and then that will be the end of the test. So, that being said, here we go. Okay. I'm not sure why that strobe is not being too bright. I could have swore it was brighter, but then again, I haven't used this alarm in a decent amount of time, so I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure later models did have brighter strobes, though. I'm not sure, though. Okay, and now we're going to take our screwdriver and we're going to pluck the hole of this detector, which will cause it to activate. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this system test. Make sure you stay tuned for any tests that will be getting uploaded periodically, and I hope you guys enjoy.